sweating out here. I try to get across now. Boy, I tell you, say sometime out of some I'm at Jamaica. I long for go home though. Long for go to Jamaica. I'm tired of the traffic, I'm tired of work for people. I'm just tired of it. So, I long for go home. So I go home at Riverside and sit down and just get some fresh water by the seaside, get some coconut water, some real food, some real roast yam and roast cocoa and Brian Young run down and them sitting there. Salt mackerel and the coconut juice and dumpling and banana, the real country food me I talk about. Hi darling, how you doing darling? Say good evening.
Good evening, how are you?
Hi darling. I run into a special lady right here, and everybody all over the world is going to see you. So say hello to everyone, you know, put your hands up.
What are you all doing?
Yes.
God bless you all and every smile upon you all.
It's beautiful. And tell them to keep God first. God is alive.
Oh yes, put it
We're
first
sinners,
in
but we gotta
everything,
try.
baby,
Right, baby?
everything.
We're
That's
sinners,
right.
but we have to try. I
Exactly.
respect all the people, you know, because, you know, they have something they can give to you that nobody else can give you. Knowledge.
Thank you, sugar.
The kind of knowledge, because, you know, so God
Thank
bless
you,
you.
sugar.
And it's nice to meet
Thank you,
And your name
sugar.
is?
Gladys. And
This is Gladys. Ellis.
Yeah.
I'm like, you look at glass, you can the eyebrow, them nice too. You're in a style. Because them they sit there and wear, no, you know, man. And them they sit there and wear. Yes, baby. Yes. So, I love people, I love the world, I love God.
that's right, baby.
And, you know, when you love people and you have God, you're going to have peace.
That's right.
You're going to have joy.
Amen.
Sometimes you talk, I kind of feel she's the way you're happy. Because you know you know where you stand with God, you know where you stand with people. Right, yes. So God bless you, mommy. Nice to meet you. And I hope I see you again. See one of my friends I know, I forgot to stop and answer to her. Because me not stop, you know.
That's right.
Me must go along and go along and me I go. All right, mommy, be careful.
All right, baby.
All right. Yes, darling.
I will slap you.
What I did wrong now?
The girl from the Bronx. Excited for
How
see you.
old a girl? Me not answer her now. She must feel away. How is she?
That's why me not give nobody, you know, me call you and give her my phone to talk.
I'm telling her say you need to text me on WhatsApp.
She said you see her friend on YouTube. She said
Send me
she
an-
and her husband, so she like how you flex. She said she want buy. She said she see the advertise Pum Pum Tight now.
I pum tight now she didn't want.
Yes, man. They don't
But you should have tell me say the pum tight now she never tell me that.
She look for you yesterday. She said
She
come
call
back
me.
tomorrow. She said she go on back Sunday. She want.
She come here today again?
No, yes, she come back tomorrow.
Me I come tomorrow.
And she come Saturday because she leave Sunday.
But me never know that she want. She tell me say she's a fan of mine and she just come from
tell her
Jamaica and she travel all the way from the Bronx here to see me.
Yes.
So now as a sensible person that me know, me not gonna just jump and run back out of my house because me never meet nobody that travel without letting me know they was traveling to see me. Unless the person traveling to see me, then me know so me expect them. But if somebody come and tell me that I'm come out of my house, me not gonna run come out of my house, somebody come shoot me and kill me.
I'm out there shooter. That's my out
Yeah, my security are tight out here.
Let me know out there.
When you hear the security tight, excuse me, me have to step away. Jesus have mercy. Me have to step away for this one. No, sir. I didn't milk, you know. Man, me want to fart so bad. I tell you, it was so loud. I had to excuse myself. I'm sorry, baby. I never do that before, but I had to. This one was coming like a... Me gone already. Me let it off already. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's gone. My God. I go have to go, you know. I think that milk have something in my stomach. I go have to go.
She leave Sunday.
All right, she will get it. I go text her and say. She never tell me, yeah, mommy, all right. I go buy bun and cheese and say. Yeah, but she never tell me that. She said I come from Jamaica.
Nice girl, man, with her daughter and her husband.
She never tell me that. Oh, God, she never tell me that. That's nice. All right, I'm going to call her.
She see you on YouTube.
I'm going to reach her back. I'm going to reach her back.
She had a friend on YouTube and she asked me for one name. I said, I don't know nobody by that name. And me say,
Olivet Smelly.
yes, and she started
my real
telling me
name.
how you dress and what you have. And me said, yeah, my girl.
Yes,
And
all
she
right.
started telling me, and that's why me call you.
All right, I'm get back to her. I'm
And
going to
give
go up
her
on
my
WhatsApp.
phone to talk to you.
All right, I get back to her. I never know who she was.
Sunday, so she want anything or something to buy. Pick it up.
Shakira husband come by pum tight now with her husband. I with a blood clot. This year.
Go Brooklyn, man.
All right, it's no problem though. I get to her, make sure she get it. All right, have a good evening. I love you. I like your picture too. When my phone ring, I'm pretty picture you come up. But me say after I say wait, let me have this. So what my friend? All right though.
Yes, man.
Tomorrow, what you think? We're not fall tomorrow again?
Yeah, man, come on, man. home early, she said.
All right.
So that make you feel and then you can go back.
All right. I love you. Yeah, all right. Yeah, all right.